Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of the EdisonReport. We're here at LEDucation 2025. This is LightPitch. Today I am joined by John MacArthur of Lightalarms. Welcome, John.
Thank you very much, Randy. I'm very excited to share with you a brand new product that we're happy to introduce. It's an upcoming product patented within-house and has multiple upcoming applications. I am proud to introduce the Egress Luminaire Series, available with up to 4 of the EML pucks. This is going to let us go higher, reach further, and save you money. Now, we're on the ground floor of this innovation. So first we developed a remote fixture powered by our wide range of in-house mini inverters. Now this is going to help support the kind of current culture of emergency lighting while redefining what center-to-center spacing can be achieved. So we're able to take this unit up over 50 feet high and have a 1-foot candle average at the floor. Or we could bring that down to a 24-foot mounting height, something more conventional, and we have a center-to-center spacing of 92 feet. Absolutely. And in the future, with possible design options to allow us to go beyond our IP65 certification, we could possibly include hazardous locations as well, something we're very familiar with already with our company. But at the heart of this innovation is a powerful but small planar light source, which is producing 990 lumen while only consuming 7 watts each.
Absolutely. So I'm doing that lumens per watt calculation in my head. That's pretty darn good.
It's incredible, absolutely. And we can put up to 4 of those light sources in any given unit, letting us get close to 4,000 units per fixture. So
4,000 lumens per fixture.
That's correct. And what we're also able to do with this is that it's incredibly easy to install. Simply mount your cabinet and align your center beam with your path of egress, and you're done. There's no aiming required like a conventional luminaire fixture.
Really?
Absolutely. And that's because we have a uniformity ratio that is completely redefined. It's a 3-to-1 opposed to a 40-to-1.
Wow.
Absolutely. Ease of installation is just the tip of the iceberg with this product, though. We're also able to provide our clients with simplified maintenance and operational cost savings. Because with one trip up the ladder, you're able to install the fixture and never have to go back. Because you'll have our in-house mini inverter providing its power, and that means that it's conveniently and accessibly installed inside your electrical or your maintenance room. So that means less time on ladders and more time getting on to the next job.
Okay, got it. Well, it sounds like a great product. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Randy.
Thank you.